This is a vintage Atlas lathe. It's got the quick change gearbox on it. It's got the what we believe is the original Atlas motor. This belt here is a little frayed. Still works great. Motor back there. You can still see it here. There we go. Still got the Atlas motor on it. Single phase, 110 volt. Chuck. The guideways are in pretty good shape. A few nicks and scratches here and there, but nothing real bad. It's got a live center in the tailstock. Down here we've got a brush wheel, and this is the original, looks like the original milling attachment for it, and that looks like the original steady rest. And here's a 4-jaw chuck, and then we have some assorted boring bars. Here's a more modern tapered chuck, more boring bars, vintage holders. Don't know what those are for. There's 2 of them. A couple cutting tools. Looks like some replacement jaws. 2 old files. Not sure what that little thing's for. Then we have 2 wrenches. These look like the original wrenches that came with the machine. From what I've seen, they look pretty period correct. And then we have a dial indicator. It's missing the glass, but it still functions. Magnetic base. Pretty smooth operation on the Traverse here. Everything seems to work nicely. We even have the now we've got the original bell style tool holder here, and we've got her blocked up to be center of the bore. Right now I have a LED on there, not period correct, but I'm hunting for one. Didn't have a chip tray for it, so I just took an old filing cabinet drawer, made a little chip tray, bent it out, so she just slides up in there. It works pretty good for a chip tray. Keeps my floor a little clean. See down in there? So I can move that wherever I want to. Wherever I'm turning, I can move it and just keep it cleaned up a little bit. What we're going to do for demonstration is chuck up this 3/4 inch drill bit where the shank is just all boogered up. Someone spun it in the drill. Trying to get focus here. You can see it's all scarred up. We're going to chuck this thing up, smooth it out so we can put it back in the drill press and drill a straight hole. Alright, so we're putting the drill bit in. I'm going to put it in as far as we can. Tighten up the chuck. Oop, we're not centered. Alright, we're going to put our safety glasses on, safety third. Just going to give it a quick spin. Alright, she looks good. Give her another tight. I'm just going to get in position here. Make a dry run, make sure she's squared up, do a scratch. Alright. Right there. Flip her on. I just did a real light pass just to see what we were dealing with. Make sure we weren't really out. So she started to clean up here. So we're going to pull her back again and make another pass a little bit deeper. As you can see, she's starting to clean up. I really don't want to take more than I have to off of it, so I'm just going light passes. See, she's a little out of round, probably been bent. So let's try that again. And she's getting there. We still have a pretty good shallow spot there, but she's starting to turn out. Go off and take another 10 thousandths off her. Still running shallow right through there, but the rest of her is starting to clean up real nice. I think one more pass and we should do it. We got a little bit of gouge there, but if we get rid of that, we'll be doing good. And that looks about as good as we're going to get it. Like I said, we don't want to take too much off. We still got a little bit of nub there, but that should check up a whole lot better.